Welcome YouTube. Hope you guys are okay. This is our weekly Forex breakdown, last one of the month. It's already been a month into 2024. That has gone fast as well, fast. Hope everyone's had a solid month trading. For me, it's been fairly slow. I mean, I took it slow. I didn't want to jump straight back into it because there still was like the first 2 weeks were still a little bit iffy. There was especially the first week of January was very weird. There was like no movement and then weird movement. Second week there was like no movement and then one day it went crazy. And then the week after, I can't remember, to be honest. Oh yeah, I had a trade. It worked, but it tapped me out of break even, unfortunately. And then last week, one trade, one win. So it's been all right. And then we did have one other setup that just like never got to the level. It was very, very slow. It's pound Swiss. I'm surprised it didn't get to the level. All right, let me send this out to the different Discord. One sec. Live Forex analysis, ping, done. Okay, we are fully live and ready to go. So let me quickly go over this question. Do you have any advice? All my trades look like this. I get ripped at the bottom and then it reverses. Let's have a quick look. Are you trading what you want to do? Because that isn't, I wouldn't really class that as a decent level. That's why. I would wait for, if you watch some of my videos, I mean, if you watch my most recent video for, actually, you know what, let's give it a bit of promo right now. For the guys that haven't or don't really see my YouTube, I uploaded my first video, finally. Leon's full strategy, 182 views already. Come on, that's pretty good. I've not even sent it to the Discords either. But this goes over the very basics. I don't go fully in depth because I'm going to save that for the next videos. But this goes over how to identify levels, use the fib, and also ATR. I know we're not using TV in light mode like a psychopath. Yeah, it's a bit bright, that, isn't it? So when I'm looking for levels, the first thing is I'm looking for at least 100 pips move in and out. Thank you, trading guy. So yeah, this move here needs to be at least 100 pips. Is this recent? No, it's not. This is back testing. So if this pullback isn't at least 100 pips, then straight away, I wouldn't look at it. I'm looking for at least 100 because, again, if you're thinking in probabilities, if this move has only provided, let's say, 20 pips and you're looking for a 40 pip pullback, what are the chances of it doing that? Whereas if this was like a 300 pip move and it created a really strong like 250 pip level, the chances of that giving us a reaction of like 30, 40, 50 pips, you know, it's pretty good. 232. So the next one that I was going to go on to is it always depends on how fast that pullback is. So when a level is created, what I say is I'm looking for the level to marinate. You gotta give it some time, all right? So you can't just wait for a level to instantly retrace. So for example, see how this was only like 120 pips, but see how it provided a pullback of like 2 weeks and then took a few days to come into the level, compared to if this, for example, instantly dropped like this. Let's say this is our level, instant drop with one candle like that, and then it instantly came back up the next day. I would not be looking for that. I'm looking for levels that have at least given, like, let's say a week pullback, if that makes sense. So I don't know if you can find an example of a level. I can't really find any good examples. It's a bit difficult, to be honest. But I'm looking for them to give a bit of time. Because the ones that instantly come back to the level within like 2 days, I don't know. Those ones are, well, I mean, statistically, that's why it didn't work for you. Because they get fucking smashed. Right, let's get into it. So I'll quickly go over the trade we took last week. And then I'll go over the other setup we had last week. And then I'll go over this week's stuff. You guys, if you have any questions, drop them in. Sorry, YouTube. One sec, let me get to your stuff as well. Okay, no comments yet. Oh yeah, we do. Givito, hello, welcome, welcome, welcome. Everyone in YouTube, feel free to drop a little like. Okay, some people are liking already. Thank you, thank you. Right, so one trade we took last week, and for the people watching on YouTube, I'm guessing you guys are from other Discords. So I probably have a channel in your Discord that you're in right now. And I posted this in there last week. So we had a few levels. These were the levels I was looking at. Obviously, price was like here at the start of the week. And we had these ones. We had the fib of the move down, as you can see, from the high to the low. And this was a simple textbook trade. If I go replay and we go like that, here was the level I was interested in. It wasn't an amazing level, but it was for Aussie New Zealand. It was only like 130 pips, so yeah, not the best, but obviously Aussie NZD doesn't move too fast. So this was a beautiful 61 level on a daily. One second, let me just mute that person. This was a beautiful 61 level, really textbook level. There's no like psych level or anything. However, we also had, as you can see, if you watch ATR was just in line with that wick. And if we play the next candle, ATR also lined up with a level. So we had ATR, the fib, and of course the daily level. That camera is crazy. Thank you. It looks shit when I go full screen. If I make it bigger, I mean, for Discord, it doesn't look too bad, but it's, yeah, I invested some payout money for this camera. I'll say that, quite a bit of payout money. It was worth it though, because now I can make sexy TikToks and sexy videos. So yeah, ATR 61 fib, and if we watch how it works, boom, beautiful. The only thing is, we only caught 30 pips on it, which was a bit unfortunate, and the reason for that was because the first level, I think we entered, or at least I entered at 2.5, I think, which I actually got a pretty sniper entry to start off with, and then it came back to break even. The take profit was the break and retest of this level, which was really annoying. It was only 30 pips, so bit of a bummer, 1-to-1, but I mean, it's better than nothing. It didn't even have a reaction because this candle here was news, so it was a bit of a risky one. But as soon as we knew that news was releasing, I put the stop loss straight to break even. I know obviously spread could have done me a little bit dirty, but I was willing to take the risk and hold it through news. Sorry, and news came out in our favor and smashed these lows. Came all the way down. Obviously, it was the take profit was either going to be there, or you could have been greedy and gone for this level, which it technically did do, but I was not risking that. I'd rather go for the safe level. And yeah, that was, can you do gold? I'll go through the Forex pairs and I'll go through gold. Yeah, sure. And then the other trade for the week was pound Swiss, which didn't tap, unfortunately. This was also a nice setup, which was super annoying because it missed. So pound Swiss hadn't given a single reaction, pullback, sorry, on this entire move up. And this was the very first move. And again, that was 130 pips and it lined up with a larger fib. It was the 50 fib. And you had the psych level on like the EMA just above, and it missed it by like 15 pips ish. Do you send every trade you take into the Discord? Yeah. I have checked this month and you have only taken 2 trades. Do you risk 2%? Yeah, I risk 2%. And yeah, I've only taken 2 because January has been slow as hell, and I've purposely been very safe in January. Same with December. I've only taken like the really nice selps because obviously January is a bit of a odd one to trade. So yeah, I've been playing it a little bit safe. But yeah, so far this year, 2 trades, 1 win. Technically the other one won. If you didn't put stop loss to break even, the other one also won, but yeah, I got stopped out at break even. Some accounts I got stopped out at 1-to-1 though, which was pretty nice. Yeah, right. So let's get to the analysis for this week. We'll start off with pound Aussie and we'll work our way through. We'll go full screen, sack it, why not? And yeah, just another little bit of promo for the guys who have hopped in, and ladies, whoever's in here, who have hopped in and you haven't seen it yet. I've uploaded a video on YouTube for the first time in a long time, so I'm going to whack this in just for anyone that is learning my strategy. There it is. That's the very basics. If you want more stuff, you can also type in MCR trading. And we do have some like old live streams in here. So like how to use flows, select and take profits, alignment, and identifying levels. So there is a few little videos there you can watch, but I'm going to make these, again, these are live streams, they're not really videos, so they're pretty long, but each week now on YouTube, I'm going to make a new nice little in-depth video on different topics, such as like take profits, ATR, fib, levels, how to pass a funded account, risk management, psychology when it comes to the strategy, everything to do with my strategy. And then, you know, within 2 months or so, we should have a full, literally 0 to 100 playlist on how to use and trade my strategy effectively, which will be pretty damn nice. I'm excited for that. Right, let's get into the analysis. So, right, so we have Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie is depressing as hell. There's not been any levels created on this move up, no retracements at all. And the only other sell level is all the way up here. And this fib is pretty much useless because that 61 has nothing at all. So the only fib we would really draw is that buy fib. But again, there's nothing on this buy fib. If you want to look for little intra levels, like that level there is still 134 pips, but it's more of a 4-hour level than a daily. So I'm not really looking for anything on Pound Aussie at the minute. Pound CAD, what do we have? We had the high, which of course is a really nice level. Really nice level, 500 pips. But unfortunately, wasn't tapped. We came like, what, 50 pips away and just reacted off something over here. And we're making a bit of a move down. So that is well, I mean, it's still level, but no longer of interest at the minute. And again, of this move up, we didn't create any nice levels, which is a bit of a bummer because now that means there is no buys. We have the buy down here and we have the sell up here, which is awkward. So, yeah, nothing on Pound CAD. Pound Swiss, exact same story. We do have this level, but I probably wouldn't be willing to take this level now because even if we did take sells from here, take profits are going to be awkward because there's a high chance, you know, price could maybe push through these levels, tap into this one, come back down, retest off of this, and then see a move up. So now I'd rather just wait for this higher level up here because we've only just missed that level. It is very annoying when price does that. And of course, there's not really been any deeper retracement levels within this move up, so there's nothing too sexy. Can you drop your colors of trading view? They look sick. Well, if you go into the announcements channel and then scroll up a little bit, 2 seconds. Where is it? Almost there. Here. We have a nice little public Google Drive folder. And if you click on chart colors and open this sexy little PDF, it has my colors. Apart from the background, which is, I can't edit it, but oh shit, I didn't even copy it. Did I? Oops. Yeah, I did. The background color is #191919. That's the gray. Yeah, so Pound Swiss, I'm also not looking for anything. Let me just get rid... Wait, can I go full screen and then... Oh, wait. Oh, I can, you idiot. That's what I was trying to do before. Okay, so we got nothing on these three. GJ, this is a bit better now because I can see my pairs. I have a question how to find good levels. How do I find good levels to draw Fibonacci? Well, have you watched the YouTube video? Because on the YouTube video, I go through exactly how to find levels. And... my most recent TikTok that I'm going to be uploading in about an hour and a half is how to draw levels. Because I did make, if anyone's, well, the TikTok did well. My most recent TikTok on how to draw the fib, it did really well. So I'm guessing a few of you guys are in here because of that. But yeah, the follow-up video is how to identify strong levels. So that'll be uploaded tonight. How much would you suggest per trade in pounds? Ignoring the generic whatever I can afford, I would like to know what you would suggest as a minimum to get a good return. Okay, if you're talking good return, then you're going to have to be putting in, I don't know what your class as a good return. You're going to have to be putting in like £10,000 minimum if you want a good return. Because if you're risking, let's say 2% a trade and you're gaining 2%, 3%, that's only like 200-300 per trade. I don't know if you class that as good. For example, I only take one trade a week, so you'd be averaging what, 500-ish, 600 a month off of 10k, with correct risk management. But I mean, if you're a beginner I would not advise putting in a lot of money. To start off with, $500 is too much, to be honest. I would start off with just like 200, 300 max. 1% per trade. I know 1% is absolutely crazy because you're not going to be making any money. But the purpose of your live account when you first start off is not to make money. It's to build that psychology, build that skill of just following instructions and trusting yourself, because that takes a while for you to just follow your trading plan. I know it doesn't sound difficult, but so many people have difficulty following it, and they don't trust themselves, and they just get impatient because, oh, they're not making enough money. But if you just follow your plan, if your plan works and your strategy works, you should be willing to stick to that for the next 5-10 years and just slow compound 1% per trade. Done. That's it. So when you're starting off, I'd recommend 200 to 300, 1 to 2% per trade, and just practice for like a few months. There is no rush at all. Practice for a few months, and once you start seeing like consistency, by consistency, I'm not talking 20% a month profit. I'm talking 1% a month. I'm talking 0% a month. If you can stay at break even for 3 months in a row, that is fucking amazing. You're doing really well. So just stick to that, and then maybe try out a funded account if you want. You can go the funded route. What time frame do you use? I use the daily. Rodrigo, yo user. Thank you, Kaku. I appreciate it. No worries, Has. For example, my live account, I'm obviously very confident in my strategy, and I built that confidence through just pure experience and an absurd amount of back testing. And obviously, I have a decent-ish win rate. I mean, it was like 75-ish, 80, but I've reduced my win rate and increased my risk reward, so I'm gaining more per trade, and I'm looking at about a 65, 70-ish win rate now. But because I'm so confident in my strategy, I'm risking 3% a trade on my personal account. And then I have like a separate high risk account where I only put a little bit of money in and I risk 10% per trade in that. Obviously, if you've got a low win rate strategy, that's like 30, 40%, you've got a high chance of blowing that. But 10% per trade, I know I'm confident. For example, I haven't lost 2 trades in a row in over a year. The most amount of trades I've lost in a row is 1 in the past year. So I know I'm confident that, I'm not going to blow it, I guess. There was a sound bug for me. Is everyone okay? Can you hear me now? Is it all good? Are we chilling? Hello. All good? Yeah. 5 seconds. Okay. I won't try to repeat myself. I don't know what I even said, to be honest. I can't remember. I've got a really bad memory. What was I talking about now? I've completely lost it. I was saying how I was confident in my strategy because of all the data collection and stuff. But yeah, I'd $200-300, 1%, 2%, build it, build consistency in your psychology, your mentality, your trading plan, following your trading plan, your strategy, know the ins and outs, then give a funded account a go. For some reason, nowadays, everyone is so obsessed with funded accounts and passing a funded account. When I started, I sound like I'm old as fuck when I say this, but when I started, there was literally just FTMO. That's it. There was no one else. That was my Forex funds. And they also had the 30 days, max 30 days. So you guys have got it easy. You guys only have to pass the challenge. Well, you have unlimited time. When I started my funded accounts, I had to pass it within 30 days. And with my strategy where I'm taking 1 trade a week, 30 days was impossible. The mental stress I had to go through of trying to pass a challenge in 30 days with this strategy. Oh, my psychology was not liking it, I'll tell you that. So I failed 2 FTMOs in a row. Well, I didn't fail them, but I didn't hit the profit target, so I got a free retry. I made like 2% and then 3%. And I was like, yeah, this isn't working. So I didn't just go, degen buy a 100K account. I practiced for a year. I didn't take another funded account for almost a year. I went back onto a live account and just used 1% risk every single trade for a year. and just learn everything and just fully discipline myself. Yeah, the analysis side, and most one loss. Yeah, most of your loss was one trade in a row. Yeah, hopefully. I don't know. It's going to be too soon because my win rate obviously has dropped a tiny bit, so there is a chance we're going to take 2 losses in a row soon. So I'm preparing for that day when all you degens start going absolutely off of me, saying I'm a bad trader and stuff. I can't wait for that when we lose 2 in a row. You guys are going to go crazy. If I could pass funded account profit share, would it be paid to me? Yeah, of course. Yeah. Yeah, has the analysis started? Right, JJ, you're banned. Right, let's carry on. GJ. So GJ has these little levels, which aren't exactly amazing. I know they're 170 pips, but I'm not. I mean, sorry, I know they are 170 pips, but I'm not interested just because it's like a 2 candle pullback. So I'm not really looking for them, to be honest. GJ has nothing. Sorry. Pound ends a D. We tapped into these highs, which technically would have missed because GN moves fast. That's a 30 pip miss, just that tiny little zone there. We do have this little break and retest. I am looking at break and retest at the minute. Sorry, I drank too much Diet Coke. I'm burping now. That's disgusting. This break and retest does look nice. I've started back testing them and they're working pretty damn nice. Trading in the exact same as how I just trade normal levels. Lining it up with a fib or ATR, and it's pretty juicy, I can't lie. It's been working nice. All good, JJ. I do want to risk reward and it going good for me. Nice. But yeah, apart from that, nothing on GN either. I marked it pink because there is a break and retest. So I just know when they're coming. GU, again, boring. Pound is so boring. We have this 38 fib, which is really nice. The zone is a little bit hefty, 38 pips. Covered gold, no, I just need to cover Forex, then I'll go over gold. Forex is the main one. When you get payout on a fund, do they pay it on the bank account? It depends. Some I get to the bank account, some I get paid in crypto. FTMO pays to the bank. Nova pays crypto. Alpha Capital pays to the bank. Stocknet pays to the bank. And that's it. Most of them pay to the bank. It depends if you want to do dodgy stuff with your taxes. I'm a good boy. I just pay my taxes. I just pay it. I mean, in the UK, obviously, it's just all, you got to pay it as just personal income tax and stuff. So I just get it to the bank and just pay my tax like normal. I ain't taking no risks. Sack that. Not yet, anyway. Until, I start making like 100K, 200K in a few months and stuff like that, then yeah, then I'll, do all the weird tax stuff. One of one pays to the bank. There you go. There's another one. So if I would earn 10K in profits and 20% profit share to me, FTMO would pay me 2K. Well, you get 80%, they get 20%. So you would get 8K. Personally, I would pay taxes because I'm in France. They start to check it. And I'll just move to Dubai and try and get citizenship in Dubai. I don't know how easy citizenship is. I'm guessing it's pretty difficult, but you just move to Dubai and start paying Dubai tax. Anyway, GU, this level is a bit weird. I'm not looking to take a trade off that just because it's in this weird little range. I'm not willing to take a trade off of this low either. When price is in weird little ranges like this, they become a little bit scary. I'm not really willing to trade off any of these. I'm waiting for a breakout. So the perfect scenario would be break this low, break out this little range and tap into this daily level with a 38 fib and also the 1.25 psychological level. Beautiful. ACG is doing 40% off. Is it worth a cop? Well, so wait until tomorrow because I may have some stuff. Wait until tomorrow because I think I might be doing some interesting things with Alpha Capital. So just wait until tomorrow and then I'll let you know, Fred. Tag me because I'll forget to reply. Yeah, there might be some very interesting things, so I'll just wait for now. And also, I'm going to be giving away 3 10K accounts with a new firm that I haven't even heard of before, but 3 10K accounts. All you guys have to do to enter is wait. I've not even posted it yet, but I will post it tomorrow. But if you want to enter early, all you have to do is leave a nice little testimonial in the Discord. That's literally it. And and I'll pick 3 of the testimonials. I'll either do them at random, or I'll be nice and pick the nicest testimonials. So like, if you look at, for example, Tata, I don't want Libby. That's fine, but for the testimonials for the giveaway, I'm looking for like text-based testimonials, so not really profit ones. So like a nice little, nice chunky text one, if that makes sense. Not just like I like Leon, here's my friend. Similar to like Otto's, like here, or Jake's. So all you need to do is put a little testimonial in here, and I will pick 3 of them, and you will get a 10k account with. Is it bad that I forgot the name of the funded account? They are a little bit low key. It's not like an Alpha Capital, but I probably will do a nice Alpha Capital one very soon. It is with. Wait for it. Wait, what's that? Let me get their website. These guys, they look interesting. They look pretty nice. Ascend Capital. Yes, there is a giveaway, and it's 3 10k accounts. 85% profit split, 7% target, 5% drawdown, 10. It's pretty basic. Yes, if you can do another one, Jake. Yeah. So it's the ones from the most recent ones. If it's free, why complain? Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, it's completely free. So I mean, even if it is terrible, you guys got it for free anyway. All you need to do is literally send in a few sentences on why the Discord is good, why I'm good. I don't know. Just just a normal testimonial of how MCR or me or the strategy has helped, or the live streams, or the content in the Discord, or the people, or that stuff. Does it work in the States? I don't have a clue. You will have. Let me send in the link, and you guys can do your little research for yourself rather than me just go over it. There you go. There's the link. Testimonials. You are good because you teach trading. Perfect. Thank you so much. Preferably a few more sentences, or a little bit more. But yeah, you get the point. When's the strategy breakdown? Been waiting for it. It's already posted. I uploaded. So last week we did a video, a live stream. So if you go to the live stream channel, there's a strategy breakdown. So that's a live stream version of it. And then also on top of that, if we just go through like this way, on top of that, I also today posted a video, my full strategy breakdown. So it's all there. You haven't got notifications turned on. So fake fan. That's what you are. Fake fan for not turning notifications on it and liking it, commenting on it, everything. Of course, I will write an essay. Perfect. Wait a minute. It's been 35 minutes. You're on pound still. Right. Swear to God. No, yeah, whatever. Sorry, missed the start. Any of the pound pairs looking nice? No, they're not. Apart from pound dollar once it breaks out this level. I mean, do you guys prefer... Oh, right. Leon do analysis. Right. Okay. Yeah, do you guys prefer when I answer questions and I have more of a conversation with you guys? Or do you literally... There's no offense for this. You can just say, I prefer you just to go through the analysis. You can say that. That's completely fine. I'm not going to be annoyed. But are you guys like fine with, going through and answering questions and talking to you guys and going over stuff and little bits? Or would you rather me... would you rather me like go through all the analysis and then at the end answer all the questions from previously? Both boring, right? Josh, time Jake out for a week. You know what? No, 2 weeks. And Jake, you can't even win the giveaway. I'm joking. Don't actually do that. Okay, right. Both are fine. Okay, good. Okay. Right, let's get back into it. Stop distracting me, guys. Full screen. Right, so pound, literally the only interesting thing is pound dollar if it drops 165 pips next week. All the YouTube guys are quiet. We've got 13 people watching in the YouTube and only 2 different people talking. You are more than welcome, sir. Oh, my camera's died. What? What? Hold on a minute. Wait. What? Fuck. Right, have I been scammed? What's just happened there then? This the right. that cable is meant to keep my camera turned on, not fucking off. Right. 1 second. Let me try. One sec. Let me try and fix it. Okay. Have you got right, Bunko? What are you trying to say there? Have you got any connection to Luke Bennett? What are you trying to say? Cam was right. Right, Bunko, you're banned, mate. Okay, I've turned the camera off for 2 minutes. Just quickly let it charge, and then we'll see. Okay, you've not got a pretty face to look at for the time being. Everyone getting banned today. Cam was bought from the dark web. I don't know why that's just died. That's so annoying. Anyway, right, let's carry on. Your podcast with Andrew Tate, or I'm leaving. Podcast is coming soon, so might get Tate on it. Yeah, sure. I'm joking. Yeah, Euro Aussie, absolutely nothing. We do have this level that was created, but would I be willing to take a trade from that? I mean, it has done 240 pips, to be fair. I mean, to be fair, let's have a look. If that's a 61, which it isn't, let's see this big one. Nah. No, I'm not willing to take that. That is a wide zone. 75. Yeah, I'm not looking for anything on that. That is boring. EuroCAD. Oh my god, man. Next week is going to be depressing. EuroCAD, we got the low, which again, I'm not willing to trade. It's just in a stupid range. I'm not willing to take a trade off of that. Apart from that, we got the buy down here. And apart from that, you got to sell up here, which it tapped into this level and missed by like 30. So I am not looking for that either. Bit depressing that. We have this level here, but I'd wait for price to break this low and then come up to this. Euro Swiss. We do have this low, which is 200 pips, which is nice. This could be a new level, which I wouldn't look at it yet, but if we continue down, then yes, I'll look at that. What do you think about trading SPY and gold? I mean, it's both nice. SPY is probably nicer than gold, I think. Well, less risky, I'd say. I just think SPY is a little bit cleaner. Gold can be a little bit dangerous sometimes, I will say that. But gold works nice for the strategy. You just got to accommodate for the crazy ass wicks and stuff. You just use like a 50 pip stop loss. There you go. Buster is an advocate. Euro JPY. Nice break and retest of that level if we zoom in. Right, let's just try and turn the camera back on. If it doesn't turn on now, then that means that cable isn't working at all. Oh, yes. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, the camera's back on. Right, let's see how long it lasts for. Keep your face off. Let me just, 1 second. I need to look. Right, so my camera is placed in between 4 monitors, right? And to get behind it, I have to literally climb over my desk and look behind. It's so annoying. But I really need to look at what percentage it is on and see if it's charging. But you guys, I don't know. 1 sec, just wait there. What? It's at 95%. It's at 95%. How did it die? Unless it just randomly turned off. Right, so it does, like, say infinitely charged. See you later, Gimo. Crotch shot incoming. Right, ban surgical as well. Right, we got surgical is banned, Bunko is banned, not Josh. Jake is banned. Who else should we ban? You know what, sack it, we'll just pick someone at random. Otto is banned. Yeah, this level looks I don't know. Again, I'm really iffy with JPY levels. This is a nice level. This is a nice level. That is not a nice level. This is a nice level. However, these farty little pullbacks that JPY wants to do, yes, they give a lot of pips, but they're not nice. I'm not keen on them at all. What of GJ? Nothing at all. Break and retest, I guess, actually. There. You know what? Yeah, thank you for that. I didn't even see that. That is a break and retest level. We're now on EJ, though. Ruben for CEO. Hello, Arwin. Welcome. Yeah, so nothing really on EJ. I'm not too interested in it. Euro NZD, break and retest worked nicely. Apart from that, there is nothing else I'm interested in. The low. This down here. There's nothing. Oh, the break and retest of that. I didn't see that. Did that line up with a fib? No. Did that line up with an ATR? No, but it missed by like 2 pips or something crazy and did like 50. Oh my god, that worked as well. Oh, break and retests have been really nice. Yeah, so Euro NZD, I mean, it's created this level. We'll see if it pushes down further and makes that a nice level. But if not, then yeah, nothing on there either. Euro USD has created I mean, not the nicest level yet. It could be a nice level. We've got this one, and then we have this one up here. So if we push a little bit lower, then yeah, I'll give that a go, which I really hope we do. And then we also have this level down here, which does it line up with a fib? I don't even know. I feel like it doesn't. Otherwise, I definitely have the fib on here. Please line up. If this does, this is a really nice trade. Ooh. 10 pips away. I mean, if ATR lines up, of course, I'll take it, but that's a little bit annoying. I mean, you could take it pretty low and get a really safe entry to get that fib as a confidence as well. But, yeah, we'll get rid of it for now. So nothing really on EURUSD. I'm going to mark it out as a weird color because we do have some stuff on there, but it's just none of it lines up yet. That 38 sell could be nice, though. Aussie dollar CAD, breaking retest again of this wick worked really nice. And it did like 40 pips, but there's no confidences there. This, let me delete both of these for now. That could be a nice sell level. That one there. We've also got this level up here. Obviously, this one needs to marinate, like we said. Marinate a little bit and push a little bit lower. If it comes down here, bounces off this, then comes back up, beautiful. And this level is a bit of a weird one because it was created on market open, as you can see from the weird, obviously, gap. But it does line up with the 61 fib, as you can see. This is my 61, Leon. I'm gonna wonder. Oh, yours looks way nicer. Wait, was that a Friday? Yeah, so that was the gap, yeah. Yeah, your 61 is pretty much the same as mine, yeah. That is a nice setup. I will definitely take that one. So that is Aussie dollar CAD buys. Wow. First decent setup of the week. Jesus. Took a while. Aussie Swiss, we have this level up here. We have this level down here. I probably wouldn't be willing to go for the low just because we've sort of tapped into this weird level here. And even if we did enter from here, you've then got this for the break and retest, and take profits are going to be a bit weird. So I probably wouldn't go for that, to be honest. Oh, someone's putting a testimonial already. Oh, wow. Okay, right. Jake, is that a ChatGPT? 1 second. Right. Jake, that testimonial does not count. The collaborative spirit here is infectious, making learning and navigating the markets an enjoyable experience. The moderators are knowledgeable and foster a positive environment, ensuring everyone feels welcome, regardless of their experience level. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, this Discord provides valuable resources and friendly atmosphere to thrive in. Joining this community has undoubtedly enhanced my trading skills and connected me with like-minded individuals. It's more than just a trading Discord. It's a supportive family that propels you towards success in the markets. Jake, unfortunately, that does not count. I am looking for real testimonials. Come on, it's literally 2 sentences. Trading guy, there you go. One sec, let me see. Yeah, see, there we go. Trading guy literally put in 2 sentences, 3 sentences, and that's perfect. I'm afraid one day I'll become a highly profitable and I have no way to thank Leon for his mentorship. I like MCR, it's good. Right, are these getting smaller and smaller? You know, it's not competition who does the smallest testimonial. Come on. Oh, it's getting smaller. It's fine. Okay, who's going to do the one word? Leon, good. Wow. T. That doesn't count. Right. Right. Surgical is timed out for a week. You chiller, timed out for a week. Okay, surgical, you do win by putting a dot, to be fair. Kareem, I'm going to mute you just because I don't know if I can't hear you, but your thing's going off. Okay, right. Well, I'm only looking for real testimonials, unfortunately. Not all you fake people. Leon, bro, I'm totally new to this. In what order should I educate myself? Okay, really quickly. You want to start off by, if you don't have a clue what trading is, go just above us and there's some courses. Go to Forex, click that. It'll teach you a bunch of stuff. Introduction to Forex. What is Forex? Pip spread, blah, 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 blah. Was that one missing there? No, it wasn't. Oh, wow, look, people are on it right now. And you can click like website, video, go on slideshow, then click them and it'll send you to videos. That goes over Forex and what Forex is. And then the next one is tech. Go over tech, and that is everything to do with technical analysis and the charts. It might not be everything, but it's got quite a damn lot. Time frames, psychology, types of orders, trading view, blah, 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 blah. And it's got a lot of stuff, as you can see. All that stuff. Look at that for completely free. God. Completely free. Who's the best? And then once you've done that, what you want to do is click Leon's profile right here. Click his little beacons. Then you want to click YouTube. What? Oh, this is the MCR trading one. Wait, oh, I need to change that to the Leon Forest one. Okay. You want to go onto this. You want to go onto YouTube. You want to say hi to Leon's YouTube. You want to go to videos and click on that bad boy. And once you've gone over that, if you want, you can then go over previous little live streams and, you know, go over them and have a look in them because they also drop some absolute value bombs. And then what you can also do is you can go to, I'm guessing you have Leon's mentorship. If you don't, go to start here, go to Leon's mentorship and click Leon's mentorship. And then it'll unlock these little channels here. Analysis is where I post analysis. Trades is where I post trades and stuff. Daily vid is not where I post daily vids, but I do post breakdowns. Mentorship is where I post like live streams and other stuff. Here you go. Look, videos. How to create an automated journal. Q&A. How to use flows. TikToks. Alignments. Yeah. Select and take profits. And then you can also go to the live streams channel and there's some other stuff here. Backtesting sessions and strategy breakdowns. And you can go to the events channel here and you'll see the weekly backtesting session. I need to update it for this week's time because I don't know what time I'm doing it. And then also Leon's Forex breakdown. So that is the order you want to do it. And then also, once you know how to trade my strategy and stuff, head to the strategies channel and you'll see one called levels. And then this is where me and all the... That looks disgusting. Okay, to be fair, oh God. Yeah, it looks a bit better than the last one. Anyway, this is where everyone who trades my strategy, this is where we all talk and send in our analysis and stuff and cars by the looks of it. At the weekends, it gets a little bit uncontrollable, but it's mainly, yeah, stuff to do with my strategy. That is the order you want to do it. Oh God, I missed a lot of comments. See you later has, what is your entry criteria in brief? I have a look at all my different conferences and based upon the conferences where they are, the size that it move into the level, how fast it's moved into the level, if there's news, how volatile or how much volume there is in that pair, and I'll depend my entry upon all those different things. Jakey's own cooking channel, no, fucking hell, he should be locked up in a prison. No idea why is it lighting up. My mic is actually, oh, it's all good, mate, don't worry. I got a DM from Leon saying we had to pay $299 to be here. I mean, you can donate if you want. I mean, you know, I'm not accepting donations, but if anyone does want to, you know, throw some love, feel free to boost the server. It costs like $4 or $5 a month. Can you make a clip out of this? You can. Oh wait, it'll be on my YouTube. I'm literally live streaming right now. It'll be posted on YouTube, and you want to hop in at 45 minutes. There you go. Leon on TikTok, you replied to my comment with your Telegram. I added you, transfer money. When do I get my account? Unfortunately, you're not going to get your account. I will say that. You have been scammed, my friend. I don't really do swing trading. I hold trades for like anywhere from an hour to a day-ish, just until it hits take profit. You're going to start giving yourself 2 hours to do this breakdown. Honestly, after these breakdowns, you don't understand how knackered I am. It's not because of the breakdown, but end of the week, Sunday, it's almost 9 o'clock for me now. After this, I just want to collapse in bed. And guess what? Guess who was a naughty boy, right? Yesterday, oh God, fuck me. Don't say that again, Leon, you weirdo. Naughty boy. Oh, fuck. Yesterday morning, I was meant to go gym. Clip it. Guess who was a naughty boy? That sounds so weird. I need to go do legs at the gym. So after, anyway, let's just do the analysis. Never mind. I just realized I'm rambling. Right, let's carry on. Need some caffeine after this though, because I had to do a full 1.5 hour session at the gym doing legs on a Sunday night. Damn, the unemployed Forex guru complains about a Sunday. Right, Otto, you're banned from joining the live streams from now on. Are those two lines moving average on your chart? These two, yes, and then these two are ATR. Gold. Caffeine at night. Pre-workout at night. Yeah. I know, yeah. It makes me shake, but I need it. Right, anyway, carry on. Even worse, I need it. You think I'm doing a full leg session at about 10 o'clock at night for about an hour and a half without a pre-workout? No chance. I don't care if I shake when I get back home. I need that pre-workout. Pre-workout to Fortnite. Hitting bench PR at 2 a.m. I mean, I used to go gym pretty late at like 11, 12. Got into a bad routine. But now I fixed it. I started going at like 7 a.m. Leon, why does the crew bot send me messages when I type something in the server? Every now and then you should get points. I shouldn't DM you. It'll tag you in a channel in a Discord that's hidden. So it's like a little points log, but no one sees it. Not points log. It's like, I don't know what it's called. It's called crew, but no one sees it. So it's all hidden. It shouldn't be DMing you. Just block it. Block it from sending you stuff. It basically gives you points in a Discord, and then those points can be used for giveaways and shit. Everyone feel free to ping Leon for your questions. He's available for the upcoming at least 12 hours. Yeah. All right, let's carry on. We're on Aussie dollar. We're like past halfway. Yeah, just block the crew bot. It's fine. So it doesn't DM you. Right. So Aussie JPY, we have the high, really nice. We have this level, not nice. We have this level, nice. We have this level, nice. This one actually isn't that too nice, because if we do enter from here, take profit's going to be a bit stupid. So I'm hoping this level does work, because it'd be really annoying if this one then works and this one fails. Massive respect to you, Ryan, new here. Can you please let me know why you share all this stuff for free? What's the catch? The catch is that in a few weeks it's going completely paid, and it's going to be at least I say about £40 a month. So I'm doing it all for free for now, for marketing, to get you guys in, and then I'm going to go paid. No, I'm only joking, mate. No, I'm not going paid. It's going to be free forever. Yeah, I'm playing. It's free forever. I've been doing it for 3 years now for completely free. You think I'm going to go paid? No chance. I enjoy teaching people, and there's not many people. Well, there's barely anyone. I don't think there's anyone actually in the Forex space right now that has, for example, a community that teaches their stuff for free. And there is nowhere for Forex traders to go right now where you can just talk to people and get on and share stuff. Like most Discords are paid, or they'll be paid with like a little shitty free chat, or even the free ones you go to on Discord, Reddit, wherever it is, they are toxic as hell. So I saw that and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be that little insurgent. No one else has really done it, so I want to do it, and I understand long term as well the positive impact that can have on my brand image, because I'm not going to be around for like 1 year, 2 year. Like most of these gurus will have their little mentorship, they'll sell it, and they don't plan to be around for like more than 2-3 years. They'll make their money and fuck off. They'll go live abroad and that's it. They'll chill with the money that they've just made from your mentorship. Whereas I'm looking to be here for the next 5, 10, 20, 30 years trading. Especially with like my strategy, if it only requires 5 minutes a day, why would I retire in 5 years when I've made, there you go, I've made 2 mil, retire. It takes me 5 minutes a day. You think I'm going to retire? Right, the camera's just turned off again. I'm going to punch its head in. 95% and my camera's turning off. Good one. So why on earth would I stop? And I'm not looking to just keep this as just, there we go, it's working again now. I'm not looking to just chill and keep this as a Discord. I'm looking to take this even further and build something in person. I want to build it and build it and build it. And whatever opportunities get thrown our way, I want to take them. I want to be in a position where I can take them and I have a decent following. I have a lot of people in the Discord and we can do something with that. So for example, one of my end goals is a trading floor. Like, well, it's more of a right, the camera, swear to God. More of a trading office, to be honest. A trading floor sounds a bit advanced, doesn't it? Right, I'll turn the camera off for 2 minutes. A trading office. So imagine with like 20 people, and we're all trading, we're all making money, we're doing fun things, and we're all in an office together. And we're all just having fun, teaching each other, learning off of each other. We can do all content in there. Full-time videographer who just walks around, records us, does that stuff. We can do the podcast in there, everything. That'd be, imagine how fucking cool that'd be. The fellow studios, but Forex. Yeah, exactly. So that is the end goal. I want to do something like that. And then eventually, once we start bringing on, what's that? Do you have any profitable students? I mean, if you hop into the levels chat and look at some of them, they're doing pretty well. I mean, quite a lot of them have all passed funded accounts. I'd say, out of all the levels guys, how many of you guys have passed funded accounts? I know we got a few in here. We got Gaz, Josh, Kaku, Libby, I think you trade my strat a bit, Otto, Surgical, I think you're like on and off. You trade my strat, but then degen to the 5 minute. Do you have your HDMI cable hooked up? It may not be the power cable. HDMI cables go bad. It could be that. No, it's not that because it'll say no connection on my thing. Okay, it could be that. I don't know. I passed 300k from level strat somewhere. There you go. Yup, there you go. There's Tux as well. But yeah, I took a sacrifice. There was either 2 ways I could go with the Discord. I either went paid and started doing a mentorship, but then I'm the same as everyone else, or I take the sacrifice and do it all for free, everything, and in return for doing it for free, I can build that respect, build that brand image, and build a following. Because if you see someone on TikTok, Instagram, that type of stuff, the trading Forex, straight away, they don't stand out at all. Yes, they have a Lamborghini, whoopee-doo. But if you go to their bio, it's buy my course, buy my mentorship. I want it to be a bit different. And I'm focusing on me making my money from trading rather than me making my money from mentorship and courses. I don't give a shit about that. I don't want to rely on other people for my income. I want to rely on myself and focus on myself. If I don't have the skills to make money on my own, oh, right, I'm going to bash this. I'm going to grab the camera and throw it out my window. Anyway, yeah, you get my stuff anyway. If you're broke, you're lazy scams. Leon, I respect it. I also love how you stare me straight in the eyes through the camera. Oh yeah. I've met 2 guys that are making 1 to 5k per trade, and they're doing courses for 600 lifetime. But there are so many scammers that it's hard to do anything. Subbing right now. Honestly, the OnlyFans is coming soon as well. Plus they charge a lot. But yeah, anyway, that's the vision. So yeah, it's not going to go charged anytime soon. Anyway, let's get this smashed out. AJ, looking for buyers. Camera should turn on in about 3, 2, 1. Fuck off, camera. Oh, ho. Sorry. Aussie Enter D. This level's worth. Not looking for it now. Apart from that, on Aussie Enter D, we also have this, which is about 146 pips, which I would go for. We could have like a little cute trend line. I know, Josh, you like trend lines. Okay, never mind. Oh, we could do if it lined up there. But probably an ATR trade. Apart from that, nothing really on Aussie Enter D, apart from like this level up here. Yeah, so AJ buys, yeah. Aussie US dollar, this level worked really nicely. If you took it with a 61 fib, it worked pretty nice. Being in the cold with British people is so much better than Americans. Americans cannot understand sarcasm. Yeah, I mean, I will say, yeah. I mean, the UK sarcasm is a bit extreme. So, I mean, I don't doubt them. I don't doubt them. I don't. What the fuck? What's the word I'm looking for? I don't blame them. That's what I meant to say. Yeah, I mean, we are. Yeah, I'm never sarcastic. Yeah, that's all UK people do. Just sarcasm all the time. Or like we're very, I don't know, passive aggressive. I'll say. I don't know. It's not passive aggressive. No, like we'll hop in a voice chat and greet each other by calling each other a cunt. Or like, you're right, knobhead. And you know, American would start crying. Especially if actually, I'm not going to get into politics and stuff, sack that. Leon Premium Forex signals, Leon's OnlyFans. Ooh, what about if we combine them both? Ooh. Anyway, Aussie US dollar, we got break and retest. That's it. Enter D CAD, break and retest worked nice. Nothing else there apart from the buy down here, which does not line up with a fib. Nope. And that's it. This could be a level, but again, I'd wait for it to break this low and then retest it. Enter D Swiss, you got buyers down here, which is like 60 away. Take profits on that would be boring. Those live streams are just going to turn into hot tub streams, eh? Hot tub streams whilst I'm sat there on my MacBook analysing the charts. Come on. You know you'd subscribe to that. NJ, 1 second. NJ, we do have this level, which is nice. Doesn't line up with that 61. Oh, this is awkward. Does it line up with that? No. This is, I wouldn't really draw any other fibs apart from that one, really. Oh, wait. Oh, it's wrong anyway. Okay. That. Does that line up with that? It does. Right. Oh my god. This camera is more annoying than it was previously. Why is it doing? Let me sort out let me see if it's the HDMI. It can't be the HDMI because I never had problems with that. And the camera's not. Yeah, the camera is dead. Why is it dying and then undying? This is stupid. Is it because the battery's not properly plugged in? Let me re-plug it in. Ah, that could be the problem. Because it's a plugged-in camera, plugged-in battery, I can't. Because there's a wire in a battery. Oh, what the hell, Leon? Don't be doing those things. Because there's a wire in a battery, I can't fold the flap to close it and secure it. So I think the battery's like bobbing up and down. And it's disconnecting. Anyway. That isn't a valid fib because the 61's been smashed. So, how's that fib? Yeah, oh yeah, Amber, there you go. Yeah, exactly. That was what I was just about to say. Yeah, that fib isn't valid. That worked there. And yeah, no, this isn't. Yeah, bit annoying. Nothing. NU, again, break and retest potential level. And apart from that, there's nothing. NSWIS, yeah, there's a buy. NSWIS is level. There's not really a setup. USD CAD. This is a bit of a poo level, but it is a 61, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Which missed, but I mean, it's still valid. There's not really any buys. I'm not too interested in those, even though they did technically do just under 100. I'm not interested. USD Swiss. That level is 140. Let's see if that lines up with fib. I mean, yes, technically. Would I be willing to take a trade off of it? Potentially, if we got a decent entry. It does have the 0.88 level as well, so you know what? It's got a psych level. Could give it a go. UJ, we have this level up here, which doesn't line up with anything. Maybe ATR, but I don't know. Maybe not. This level does 200 pips. It's not that bad, but then we have the 61 as backup as well, so we could enter another buy from here. So you do have like a little backup level just in case the 50 doesn't work. So, you know, we'll mark it out for buyers. We'll see. CAD Swiss, this was a level, but again, missed by like 30. So take profits if we did enter here. Right, camera, fuck off. Yeah, I send every single one in the trades channel. Right, if I push the battery in, we're gonna have to fix this for next live stream. If I push this in, let go. Will that turn it on? If this turns it on, it proves it's the battery bobbing in and out. Okay, so it's not the battery. Dry week, yeah, I think so. Right, let me turn the camera off for a second. I'm really gonna have to fix that because that is a pain in the ass. Yeah, CAD Swiss not looking for. CAD JPY, the high, yeah, I'm definitely not looking for that. It's way too close. And then you have these levels down here, which probably won't line up anymore. And then this one definitely doesn't line up, so nothing there. And Swiss JPY, this does still look like a nice buy. I mean, yeah, if we take it from the low, it's all right. So, yeah, and that's it. Can you show all the page trades? I don't. Yeah, let me move my stupid camera. 1 second. There you go. If you just take some screenshot, I mean, if you can go back on YouTube anyway and have a look. That's all the pairs I trade. If I do that and click copy link, there you go. That is. If you just click that, what happens? Oh, there you go. Shows all the pairs I trade. Beautiful. And that is about it. That is the analysis. Dan, can you show us how to trade on a 1 minute time frame? I'll do a trade-off. I'll time you out for a week, and in exchange, I'll do it. Oh, that sounds really mean. Jesus Christ. I was only joking, but that sounded a bit harsh, didn't it? Yeah, I'll quickly go over gold. Why not? Gold is a bit boring. We got a bit of red flag news this week. Hopefully make some moves. Yeah. How was your time using ICT? How did you get along? I didn't really like it, to be honest. I didn't really like trading the lower time frames. Gold, I would only really trade the 4 hour. I won't really look at the daily. That's valid. I mean, you got nice sells on gold, to be fair. You got like that level, the 2036 level on gold. And then you have this level, obviously, 2062, just general level. And apart from that on gold, I wouldn't really be looking for anything else. Deleted my great testimonial due to the threats. I'm sorry. I apologize. And that's it. That's all I'll be looking for. Can you play Odd CAD again? Yeah, I'll quickly go to it. Don't know why I just went off the little screen. Odd CAD. I don't think I have anything. Yeah, Odd CAD is just a 61 fib. That's it. Sell, bearish market. Yeah, I'll be looking for sells. Yeah. That's about it. Was that okay? Well, apart from the new camera, we did all right. Turn on, go on, turn on, please. Boom, there we go. yeah, so that's about it. That was terrible. Worst one yet. Thank you, Josh. I appreciate it. Everyone in the YouTube, if you can, go drop a like, leave a like below for all that free value I just gave away. Did anyone actually leave a testimonial? One. Thank you. Otto, quite small, but Ghost, the Discord is mint, to be fair. It's all right. I think I expect a little bit more than that. At least like Otto's or longer. Hello, Kapala. In the digital nomad because I undiscovered it's a kind of what? Yeah, I'm not even attempting to read that. Well, Surgical, you're banned. Could you explain how to draw Fibonacci? Oh, well, if you go on my recent YouTube video, hey, you'll see it there. Or, hey, even better, if you go on my TikTok, most recent TikTok, look at that. We did a little, oh shit, I just liked it myself. Little breakdown on Fib. And there's about to be another breakdown on how to draw levels or how to find levels. So go and give that a watch. Good job. What about mine? It's worthwhile. Use Elliot Weave. No, I do not. Yes, I got blocked. Right. What did you say about Pound Card? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm guessing you don't have anything because there is no levels close. Apart from the sell, but it's just a bit awkward for take profits now. If it does come up to that sell, it's a bit weird. This could be obviously a valid level if price decides to dump a little bit more, but very, very slow week. We're going to see what happens. Yeah, I'll do some back testing this week. It is not actually going to be on Thursday. I know the event says Thursday, but I will check what time it is actually on Thursday. So, well, no, I'll check what time I actually want to do it. But yeah, thank you guys for hopping in. I appreciate it. Feel free to do something, like and subscribe. A bit later would be nice. Yeah, sure. I won't do it. I don't know what day I'll do it. I might do it Wednesday, I think. Wednesday's probably a good day. Wednesday evening. Maybe at 1 p.m. and actually start around 5 p.m. Right. Back off you. I wasn't late for the last one. Bastard. Euro USD, I'm on it right now. We have this level down here. Nice buy level. No fib though, so I'll be waiting for an ATR to line up, hopefully. We have two nice sell levels, this one and this one. But again, the fib doesn't line up, so I am looking for a new low to be created. And if it can do something like that, create this low down here, that would be nice, because then as you can see, this lines up. The 38 fib and a level, and I will be willing to take that. Because that will be... I don't actually know if I'll be willing to take that, never mind, because it's actually only done... Oh, it has actually done, never mind. It's done 110. Yes, actually it is a valid level. So yeah, I'll be willing to take that if we create a new low this week. So we will see. Yeah, that's it. Right, YouTube, thank you guys for hopping in. Make sure to go watch the most recent video and feel free to like and comment and subscribe and leave another comment and like. How many likes are we on? 36. Come on, I did like my own video. I am sad. Yes, I know. Right, can some of you guys go and whack a comment in here, please? Because I've not actually seen everyone. I did say I want to see everyone in here, and about 2 of you guys commented, so a bit disappointed, to be honest. So Donny, Buster. I don't know any of the others. Someone commented a penis, so that's not really helpful, is it? And someone liked it as well. That's even weirder. Whoever that is, probably Ruben, wasn't it? Or Jake. Or Hyper. And yeah, I'll actually post the giveaway tomorrow. So all you have to do is just leave a testimonial in the testimonial channel. An actual testimonial, not a little space sci-fi one or a one-word one. An actual testimonial, and then yes, you have a chance of winning. 3 accounts, so 3 people. Feel like I'm being called out? No, not at all. Just saying. Right, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys for hopping in. Peace out. I'll see you guys next live stream thing.